Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been getting some pretty good comments and questions on one of my shorts I posted a little while ago for the FireFinex folding stock adapter. So I decided I'm going to come out here and do some range time, show it off, talk about it, and actually give you guys a full description on it, since there's clearly not a lot of content out there for this bad boy. So I'm going to have one of my shoulder bags. I'm going to show it stowed away. I'm going to show it how it collapses, how it folds. Some pros and some cons, because there are some cons, because I mean it is a little bit on the cheaper side, but not quite as cheap as the immaculate ones that we all know and love, or don't love, but we'll go into that another time. But anyways, let's just roll the intro, stick with it, and we'll have some fun out here in the backyard range. So stay tuned. All right, thanks for sticking with it. So as I said in the intro today, I've got a full description video on the FireFinex folding stock adapter. So this they sent me to promote and showcase, because there isn't a lot of content or footage out there or descriptive videos on it. So I just thought I'd try and put this together for you guys, and they were nice enough to send one to me. So I don't have an unboxing. I can't show you all the stuff that comes with it, just because this has been on here for a while now, and I've already thrown all that stuff out. So, but anyways, it came with all the tools I needed. It came with everything you needed to install it. You didn't need extra tools. I just had some extra tools lying around, that way a little bit better quality, just because, I mean, it's like the tools you get with your IKEA boxes. You always use your tools, not the ones they send you. But this thing is made of steel. It's a solid steel body, solid steel construction. So it's not soft like some of the other guys are, and it's a little bit heavier, but honestly, for my micro builds, it's perfect for what it needs. It's not too big, it's not too heavy. It actually works pretty well. So as you can see, we are empty. I'm gonna send the bolt forward so I can fold this guy. So here you go. It's just like all the other ones. It press right here and it opens just like all the other ones. Everything is integrated, installed properly on here. So it folds, it collapses nicely. So this is my Micro PCC. This has the folding stock adapter on it from FireFinex, like I said. Here it is. Here's this end. So this actually is a pretty nice design, nice build for the price. Yeah, it's a tiny bit more expensive than the immaculate ones, like I mentioned, but it is definitely better quality. As far as the other ones out there, Law Tactical, and the other, drawing a blank on the other one that's out there. But compared to those two, honestly, for it being a bit cheaper than those other two big name ones that are out there, this honestly works really well. So this is the only gripe that I have, and you'll see it right here. See this guy? It's got a grooved channel for that bearing to ride in, which that is great. But then that also means that right here, it doesn't have an actual a lip. So I'll show you in just a second here. This thing doesn't like to stay folded very easily. So this is my only con. This is my only thing that I don't like about it. See? But for my needs, for what I carry it in, I don't really need that, because it's literally going to be barrel end down like this. So it doesn't need to stay folded. It doesn't need its own mechanisms to stay folded. And when I draw it out of the bag, and I'm actually going to show that to you guys here in just a second, it's going to come out. It's going to come out of the bag, tip away, shouldered, ready to go. So personally, for a lot of guys, that's going to be a con. To me, it's not as big of a deal, because of the way I'm going to carry it, the way I use it. It's not as big of an issue. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and grab my bag here. We're going to pop it in there, and then I'm going to show you just how it functions and how it works. So the bag I'm using today is from Viktos. This is, I believe, their Counteract, I think. I'll put the description for everything in the summary down below. So just bear with me for a quick second while I get this thing ready here. Obviously, with the cowboy hat on, it makes it a little tougher to go up and over the head with. But as you can see, it covers me. It's got a nice little back end pouch here for throwing in that backpack body armor panels. So here you go. Here's the guy. We're gonna go ahead and load and make ready, but keep it in the safe position. So we're gonna go. Actually, I'm not gonna chamber it. We're just gonna insert the mag. I've got 5 rounds in the magazine here. So we're gonna go ahead here, I'm gonna pop it, just like that. So it's folded, ready to go. I got my optic on, ready to go and all that, so it's gonna go right over here. Now remember guys, I'm a trained semi-professional, so don't do what I do. I sort of know what I'm doing sometimes. Most times. Sometimes. Typically I do this without it actually on my shoulders. I typically load it without it actually on my back, just because, I mean, it's easier. So we'll go ahead and strap these up. So as you can see, it's stowed nicely. It's not secured in here, but it's secured enough that walking around, it works. It's not sticking out. It just looks like a backpack. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. We're gonna do this in a slower motion so that you guys can see me pull it out from every step of the way. And then hopefully I'll be able to do it faster in a couple shots. So here we go. So here we are, we're walking down the street. Oh, there's a situation going on. Duck behind cover, because you're not going to stand out in the open and doing this. So you're going to pop the bag open, reach in. I'm grabbing the grip, the pistol grip. I'm not grabbing the rifle itself, I'm grabbing the grip. So that's the first thing I'm ready to go with. Pull it out, and see how it's already in that position, ready to go. Pop it out, chamber, put it on fire. And just like that, that's how it works. I mean, it doesn't get much more simple than that. So as you can see, it deployed just fine. It folded just fine. Every single shot went off just fine. No issues, no hiccups, no hang-ups, no locking parts in here. So everything worked just fine. So take with it what you will. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link down to everything in the comment section below. We're going to leave a link to the backpack and then to the adapter itself. So if you guys have any comments, questions, things you want to see, any other extra questions as far as the actual product itself, just shoot me a comment, let me know, and I'll do what I can to try and answer your questions, and hopefully I can get you guys to come on board with something new and something fun. So yeah, so now we're going to go ahead, and like I said, I want to do this as a slower motion. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Put it on safe, collapse it. I've got another mag right here. All right, so we are good to go. Everything's there. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna show off my nice bald head now. So we're gonna drop this down here. It's up, because like I said, I hate loading the bag, the weight like that. So we're good there. All right, so I'm gonna do a quick angle check here. Yeah, so you can still see me, because that's gonna be the easiest way to do this, is taking a knee instead of trying to stand up while doing this. I just wanted to make sure you guys could see me doing it. So actually here, we're just gonna do a quick camera angle adjustment here. Angle it down a little more. Okay, there we go. All right, so now, here we go. This is gonna be, try and do this in full speed. So, like I said, we're walking along. Oh man, there's an incident over here, an active shooter. I'm gonna duck behind cover, duck down, get this bag out here. And just like that. So yeah, so there you guys go, there you have it. So, like I said, that's the folding stock adapter from FireFinex, as you can see there. Pretty good, pretty well made, pretty nice design in my opinion. A little on the cheaper side, so if you're balling on a budget like I usually am, this is going to be your best option. If you really want to squeeze out those extra pennies, go ahead, save them up, get yourself the Law Tactical folder or that other one. Like I said, I'm drawing a blank on it. Don't hate me. Like I said, I'm just a semi-professional. I don't know what I'm doing half the time. So, but yeah, just if you like the video, hit that subscribe button, drop me a follow, and see what else, see what other kind of fun we can have while we're out on the range. So catch you later.